I'm going to share with you the latest tool that we've put on Holistic Kids, which is your own personalized holistic hub. I'm just going to show you here that I've created my own account where you just need to put in your postcode and your email address. And then from here, you can select all your favorites. And how that works is I can go into, for example, anything on the website, and I can go, yep, I like that. And then when I go back to my dashboard, you'll be able to see that in my favorites. And you can see here that there's a podcast that I've liked. I'll click on that, and there it is waiting for me next time I open up Holistic Kids. The beauty about this is that you can also save members directly. So anyone that you like to save, you've got them right there in your personalized hub. And what I absolutely love is that you then get your own personalized feed from all the people that you favorited. And here you'll be able to see all the articles, the events by your favorited practitioners, photos, products that they're selling, podcasts that they have available, and videos that they've put up. So this is an amazing tool that we're offering parents to use, and we're giving it away for free at the moment. This will be going to $12 a month for anyone who joins later. Anyone who joins now, you're going to get it completely free for life. And what it's also going to include is monthly workshops with the practitioners, so that we're really going to address some issues and concerns that families have, and work with these professionals about what the best options are and what different options we haven't even considered yet. So I'll drop the links below, and yeah, have a look and sign up.